Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode Problem 121, which is best time to buy and sell stock. So this is commonly asked interview question and it is asked in Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google and many more companies. So yeah, it is a very commonly asked interview question and it's a trick question. So let's see and read the question. You are given an array prices. Okay. Prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction if you cannot achieve any profit. Okay, return zero. So we need to return the maximum profit. So you may think that we can identify the maximum number from this array and minimum number from this array and return the difference as the maximum profit, but that's not true in every cases because we need to buy the stock before selling the stock, right? So it means that minimum prices has to be before the maximum price. So let's see this example. Prices which are 715364. So we can see 1 here, 6 here, 6 minus 1 is 5. So we can buy on day 2 and price is 1 and sell on day 5 where price is 6. So profit is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So we need to note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed because you must buy before you sell. Okay. So I'm thinking we need to solve this question in order of n time. So I'm thinking to have two variables. One is the maximum profit to track the maximum profit, and second is minimum so far. When we traverse the list, we can update this variable to identify the minimum value we have seen so far. Okay, so let's have these two values. We can initialize minimum so far by the initial element. And let's have a max profit. Now let's iterate over the array. We can update the min so far, right? Which is basically the minimum value of min so far and price. Now we need to calculate the profit, which is price minus min so far. Now max profit, we can update if the profit is greater, then we can find out we can update this max profit. In this way, we just return the max profit and let's see if this code works or not. So all the test cases are passed, and here the time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is constant. Okay, because we are using only two variables to track, so this is a constant space complexity. Let's submit the code. Hooray, our code is accepted, our solution is working very fine. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video.